lot of the research that we do in the United States Congress is trying to understand the conditions under which cooperation can be sustained. And by cooperation, I mean taking a costly action that benefits somebody else. And we have this rationale for why we think legislators are able to cooperate, even though it's costly for them to do so in the short run. It pays in the long run, right? By cooperating now, maybe the recipient of the cooperation is going to do a favor for me at some point in the future. Behaving in a reciprocal manner activates regions of the brain that are associated with intrinsic reward. If I fail to reciprocate towards someone who's been really nice to me, I'm going to feel guilty. That lowers my payoff. We're really interested in what are the barriers to cooperation, right? And how might those explain changes in behavior in Congress or in the way the institution's set up? Backwards looking reciprocity-based arguments give us relatively clear predictions about what's going to happen. With these forward-looking reputation arguments, we don't get clear theoretical answers. Those reciprocal obligations can also be put to other purposes. And in particular, the leader can use them to fortify their position in office and prevent themselves from being removed, even if they're doing a bad job. We should be looking at legislators who have performed a lot of favors for others and expecting those legislators to be very effective. I think helping others is a really important ingredient of what makes an effective legislator. But I think this raises some practical questions about how reciprocity works that emerge really only when we go to apply it and see how it works in a real political institution.